Hi. Why would you think crochet is an art? Hmm. Crochet is an art that uses a hook, a crochet hook. So here's 3 different kinds of crochet hooks. And fiber such as yarn or thread. I can't crochet with thread after having strokes. Some people can. Twine. To create crocheted fabric. This is going to be a scarf. So, crochet creates fabric by interlocking loops of yarn with a crochet hook. This process can be used to make projects such as blankets, scarves, hats, and more. So here I have a blanket. Here I have a wreath with flowers on it. And here is a hat. So there are some items. Thank you and have a great day.